I'm quickly going to show you how I marinate chicken really quickly. Here we go. So we have some chicken thighs right here that I have cut up and put in a bowl. Okay, I thought it wasn't recording, but okay. And then I have half an onion here, and you can put whatever you want. I want to go for more of like an Asian style today. So I have gochujang, I have some sesame oil, I have this is not 21 seasoning. This is called country onions. Look it up. It's a West African or African spice that I grinded in my thing. I have my own grounded white pepper. White pepper. I like to grind my own spices. They just taste a lot better. And then of course I have my complete seasoning. I have adobo. You need no Maggi. I'm gonna be trying this out for the first time because it was $1 on clearance. It has beer something, but anyway, just put everything. I also have this garlicky one too, but the point of it is to put everything inside your food processor and give it a blend. Let's see. I also just realized that I have a lemon, so I'm gonna squeeze my lemon in there, and I'm also going to add, I'm gonna squeeze the whole lemon, but I'm also going to add this rice vinegar. This is quick y'all, follow along. All right, let's give it a blend. Scrape the sides. Okay, oh, looks good. Okay, let's scrape the sides and keep going. Let's add a little bit of soy sauce. Just I'm also going to add a little bit of Tony's. This is my salt alternative because I find it to be a little bit salty anyway, so there's no need to add salt, and it keeps the meal low sodium. Let's continue. Blend again. Blend it till it's liquidy. Okay, so now we take our marinade and we pour it into the chicken. Just like that. It's okay. Some parts didn't blend. You're gonna mix it all together anyway. So put that and put on your gloves and get to mixing. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix this up, put it away for maybe an hour or two before I put it in the skillet. Then I'll be back. Remember, we're cooking in real time today. This is real time cooking. Okay, we're back. Sorry this is a longer video. This is a bottle that I've cleaned out. I put my oil in here so I can just spray my oil. It's a ketchup. But I like my oil to not have little spray chemicals. It's just oil in here. So anyway, it's a screaming hot pan. I'm going to turn it down and then add my chicken. So let's go ahead and do that. Just like that. Okay, so let's flip it and see what we got. Perfect. Perfect little char at the bottom. Let's just flip this one first. Perfect. Okay. Now this is a mix of butter, suya spice, lemon, parsley, and what else? Sriracha. We're gonna put that right on top of all of them. Okay, so I think we're done. Okay, I'm gonna take this off and do another set. But that's it. Alright, y'all, that is it. I know it was a longer video, but hopefully you can rewind it, take notes. But this is it. It looks so good. It tastes so amazing. But yeah. These little bits are not burned. They are caramelized. Okay, they're caramelized. But that's it. Those are the chicken thighs. Thank you so much for watching my real-time cooking. I think I'm going to pair this with either some white rice or some Indomie noodles. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Oh, let me know what you want me to cook in real time. I like this. Bye.